Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make magnetic switch using Hall effect sensor. To complete this project you will need RGB LED, 1K ohms resistor, Hall effect sensor and 9V battery. Let's get started. Solder the positive pin of LED with the first pin of Hall effect sensor. You can see there are 3 pins of Hall effect sensor. Leave the second one and solder the negative pin of LED with the third one. After that, solder 1K ohms resistor with the positive pin of LED. Now cut the first and third pin of Hall effect sensor to make them short. Now get a 9V battery and solder the second pin of Hall effect sensor with the negative terminal of 9V battery. And solder the resistor with the positive terminal of 9V battery. And you are done. Now when we bring the magnet near the Hall effect sensor, the RGB LED glows. And when we remove the magnet, the RGB LED becomes dark. Please like, share and comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.